I didn't know why everyone is talking about this. A number of channels have done a video about this, vegetable salads. Today I'm going to walk you step by step on how to make these vegetable salads in a totally new way. You will love this. Watch until the end. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get into it. So, these are ingredients you will need. Let's go through them quickly and then we get into it. We will need yellow pepper, red pepper, carrots, we'll need cabbage. If you have red cabbage or purple cabbage, you can use tomato, cucumber, onion, and salad dressing. Let's get into it.